Well, here I am cleaning up the chassis. I've got my PPE on. Just thought I'd share with you what I'm using. These are a clean and strip wheel. They're not expensive ones, they're quite reasonable ones. I think I got a six pack for £22. I have tried another one which was quite an expensive one. Just the one I first bought was about £9. A Norton Blaze one, which was okay. Oh, here it is. Yeah, Norton Blaze. Yeah, it's okay, but at £9 plus, nearly 10 quid, not been overly impressed with that. These ones that I bought, complete nondescript, but reasonably good ratings. I'm very impressed with them, and six of them for £22 is really good. So I've been in here with the angle grinder in this orientation and cleaned up all of these areas here. I'm just going to do the other side now, but obviously to get into this part here is going to be quite challenging, and also in here to get rid of that, to get all that paint off. I better get some of it with this angle grinder, but some of it I'm going to have to probably get some clean and strip wheels, clean and strip discs. Excuse me. Here we go. For that. So you can get some roll-lock clean and strip discs, and I think that'll be quite good, because I should be able to get into there. Should be able to get into there with some clean and strip discs. Probably have to get most of that off as well. So we'll see how we go. That's it.